Best regarder, dear teacher, my name is Faber Alexis Benavides. I am business administrator. I work in at the UNAD University, CECAP Vitalito. I live with my parents and my cousin Sebastian. Um, the three options proposed in the guide, only two can be seen. The one that caught my attention was Big Bad Bunny. The third was given to me because there was no audio and the interpretation was simple. The other, Awake, mm, seemed interesting to me because of the degree and suspense, intrigue, and ends with some horror in the history. Mm, the Big Bad Bunny is the history development in the forest where there is a gang of bad squirrels that attack a Big Bad Bunny because he's as a lover of nature and especially by butterflies. Seeing this, the square kill a butterfly and begin to play with its wings. And the Big Bad Bunny is hungry and get it up and think about getting revenge for what they did to make a tram, and it catch a one in the of squares and used it as a comet. Uh, Mora, don't do to other what don't want them to do to you. Thank you very much. This is my participation for the activity final speak.